Hey guys, all right, so we are now on the unit of 5.3, rational exponents. So as you know, the word exponent means power, right? Rational means any number that can be rewritten as a fraction. So prior, we gave you a review, Algebra 1 review on properties of exponents. So if we have a negative power, students, we can make it into a fraction to make it an equivalent expression with positive power. So if we look at the example down here, it says x to the negative 2 divided by y to the negative 4, z to the third, and the negative 2 to the power of x, negative 2 power of x is now on the bottom because we want to rewrite it as a positive power. Similarly, with the y to the negative 4, we move it to the numerator to rewrite it as a positive power of 4. Now the z to the power of 3, that's a positive exponent already, so we don't need to move it anywhere. When we multiply and the bases are the same, we add the powers, right? So same thing with these right here in the bottom example, x to the third times x to the 4. That means now we add the powers, so it becomes x to the 7th. When we divide, guys, we subtract. So x to the 7th divided by x to the 3rd, we minus the power, so now we have x to the 4th. Power to the power, we multiply the powers, as you can see here, okay? So x to the 3rd raised to the 4th power, it's x to the 12th because we multiplied 3 times 4. Then this has a power of 1x right there on the top. So when we have multiple things inside being multiplied, then we can just simply distribute the power. So n times independently 1, so that's why x to the nth and y to the nth. So this x right here in the bottom has 1 power, guys. So 2 to the first power is 2. 2 times 3, that's going to be 6. So the final answer is x squared, y to the 6th. Any number raised to the 0 power is going to be 1. So if you have 17 to the 0 is 1. If you have 1 million to the 0, it's still going to be 1. So those are just a quick review of Algebra 1 properties that we are supposed to still know from Algebra 1. So some properties of rational exponents, okay? So make sure we look at this really carefully.